Hello, my name is Sandeep Srestha. Today I am here to present my assignment on corporate accounting. I will start now. The topic of our assignment given is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is one of the basic statement that is prepared as per the accounting standards almost all around the globe. The basic three statements are balance sheet, which gives the information on total assets and liabilities of any business, and profit and loss, or income statement, which gives the information on profitability of the business, and cash flow statement, which measures the inflow and outflow of cash in a business. While we look into the cash flow statement, it may look very similar to like income statement, but in actually it is different and has a different concept. Cash flow statement does not consider non-cash items of the business, such as whereas income statement considers all the non-cash items such as depreciation, amortization, or impairment of assets. Now, talking about the significance of cash flow statement is a very important tool of the business. We can see that many times when the companies shows a good profit in income statement, but they are not even able to generate sufficient cash to hold their regular operations. And whereas in some cases the opposite happens, wherein the company may have a good cash balance, but cannot make a good income on good profit or make a good income statement. So it is very necessary to reconcile the net profit and the cash flow statement and the cash flow from operations. The cash flow statement helps to evaluate the business ability to generate cash. It also assesses the company's solvency status and need for external financing. Cash flow statement also helps to explain the variance or gap that is prevalent between the income statement and cash flow statement. During the process of assignment, we were given to compare the financial statements of three different public companies for better understanding of income statement as well as cash flow statement. The three companies were the BHP Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited. During the assignment procedure, we compared the consolidated cash statements of all the three companies for 3 financial years. We analyzed different key metrics that can be inferred from the cash flow statement of all three companies. We also determined the financial viability of all the companies with the help of different information from cash flow statements, such as whether the cash generated from operation are sufficient to pay for its capital expenditure, to pay for its dividend, and similarly like to creditors or staffs, etc. Finally, after doing this assignment, we thoroughly gain the knowledge of importance of cash flow statement. The cash flow statement gives the detailed idea to analyze the different perspective of the business in terms of the cash generated by the business, whether the business will be able to cover its all operating expenses, day-to-day regular expenses, whether it will be able to cover the payment of its creditors, of the all the purchases of all the staffs. It also finally it can also be said that this helps businesses to assess the compelling status of cash and its sufficiency of cash, so that management can do the proper planning if in case the external funding is required, or if in case the company has been into the deficiency of cash. And similarly, it can also help to properly plan the investment areas in case the cash balance has been in excess. It also, cash flow statement helps the investors to decide upon the prospective investment by helping to assess if the companies which he is interested to invest in is capable of generating its sufficient cash flow or not, whether it is able to cover all the capital expenditure through their cash flow from operations or not. In this way, from this assignment, we gained a very practical knowledge and gained a detailed knowledge about the cash flow statements, the various information it could provide, and the different perspective of cash flow statements, which helps to which helps to give information to all the stakeholders as well, stakeholders and management in their own area. Thank you.